Hey guys, I'm Ritika. Welcome back to BeautiCo. I'm already pretty damn nervous. So as you must have read the title, this is a 10-minute makeup challenge. I've never done anything as such before, and I was like, I'm sitting at home, I have nothing to do. Let's take on some challenges. If you guys have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section below. I hope everyone is safe. Please practice social distancing, you guys. It's really important right now. It's very scary out there. So hopefully this one is not that bad. This is a 10-minute makeup challenge. I'm gonna put my phone on timer and I'm gonna do like my makeup in under 10 minutes, which I actually do on a regular basis, but just putting it on timer and timing myself is like making me all nervous. I have laid out all of the products in front of me so that everything is like easily accessible. I'll show you what all I have. So yeah, this is all the products that I'm gonna use and the brushes as well. So I've kept like my Fit Me foundation with Fit Me loose powder open so that I don't really waste time. So let's quickly get started, but before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get started. I'm really nervous. I just have one go on this, man. Oh my god. Okay, let's just start right there. So, oh my god. I'm just gonna apply my concealer wherever I do normally. Like, I have a lot of spots this time. And I'm not gonna be super chatty because I'm really nervous. I think that's about it. What will blend this out? I'm just using my foundation brush because I know this is gonna blend it out like super fast. Like I said, no time. What? 30 seconds are already over, you guys. Oh my god. I think I should breathe. I can do it. I do this every single day. Come on, Ritika, you can do it. I thought I would do like cream contouring, but I think that is gonna take even more time. I should actually remove my bronzer powder rather, because that's gonna be okay. Just taking my blender and just blending this out even further. What do I set everything with? I'm just gonna take this brush, my Fit Me powder. Oh my god, it's a lot. Just pressing this powder into my skin. Okay, I think I'm gonna apply lipstick first so that I don't waste. Oh my god, why did I choose such a dark lipstick? I can't. What am I doing? Oh my god, I literally have 6 minutes 48 seconds left. What do I do? Okay, I'm just gonna do my brows real quick. I don't know why I chose this. I just thought that this is gonna be easier. I hope I made the right choice. Yeah, I think that's about it for my brows. Oh my god, I need bronzer. Oh, why did I remove my bronzer before? Okay, bronzer's here. Come on, where's my brush? just because I'm wearing this dark lipstick, I have to like apply this bronzer because I cannot go without bronzer with such a dark lipstick, such a bad choice. Okay, nose. I need some color on my eyes too. Just doing this because I have nothing else to do. Okay, blush, 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 blush. Using my blush, I'm gonna show you all these products separately. Oh my god, my camera stopped recording. I have no idea when, but we have 3 minutes 36 seconds left, you guys. Oh my god, don't move. Highlighter, you guys. So much texture going on right now. I need lots and lots of highlighter. See some of my eyes. And that. And now the time is, oh my god, that's a hell lot of highlighter. Oh, that's okay. I am glowing to the cats. Oh my god, mascara, mascara, mascara. I'm using my Total Confusion mascara. Where is this? Okay. Breathe, breathe, breathe. I think I'm almost done. I just need to blend everything out. I have 42 seconds left. Oh my god. I just need some setting spray. Oh my god. A setting spray, you guys. 30 seconds left. And that's about it. I am done, you guys. I have like 15 seconds, 13 seconds left, 10 seconds left, and I'm pretty much done. Can you believe it? I have, and it's time. I did it. Oh, okay. That was a struggle. I need to breathe. I need to collect my thoughts. My highlight is like being me. Yes. Oh my god, I killed it, you guys. I killed it. Okay, I think I pretty much chose the perfect look that I do every single day, only that the lipstick is a little bit different today because I was feeling the color of my t-shirt and I was like, I need to go a little bit vampy and like a little bit more deeper. And the moment I applied it, I panicked. I was like, oh my god, this is gonna need like a proper bronzer, like fully bronzed look. And I was planning on doing cream contour, as you must have seen this on my table, but then once I was blending out my foundation, or rather my concealer, I realized a cream product is gonna take a lot of precision and time to blend out, so I really need a powder bronzer because powdered bronzers are usually like forgiving and I can like definitely work faster with them. The other product that saved a lot of time was my eyebrow product. I actually used this yesterday and I was like, this is so easy to use and so precise and so fast. Like, I usually like eyebrow powders, you guys must be knowing that, and like that, literally the most amount of time that I take is on my eyebrows, and I thought I need to cut down time on that, and this is the perfect product. I found this yesterday. It was like luck. I had to do this video today. I love it. My skin is like glistening and it's all bronzed, and I love the vibe that is going on. I cannot believe it that I was on timer to do this particular look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Did you guys like it? Would you like me to do more challenges? It was super fun. It was like I was on my toes, literally. Like, I was panicking from the inside. I was like, oh my god, will I be able to finish this? But I finished it before time. If you all did like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are liking the videos that I'm releasing recently. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Do you want to see some cooking videos? Because I'm actually planning on doing some cooking video, like cooking. Since I'm at home, I have nothing to do. I love cooking, so I'm gonna do some cooking. If you all want to like see some cooking videos, let me know, and what you all would like to see as well in cooking. I'm really good at baking, if I say so. So yeah, I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.